So there are two ways to access the resources in any course. The first way is the most straightforward way. On the right-hand side, up here, click Resources, and then click on the drop-down menu. You'll have resources separated out for each unit. Choose one, and click Download. The second way is through the Fusion Digital Library. So if you click on any session folder, and then click on Add to Session, you can click on Library up at the top here. This will bring you to the digital library, where you can scroll through the resources for all the courses of Fusion, regardless of what course you are currently viewing. So if you click inside any of the subjects, you can find all the course materials for that subject. Let's say we want to find something specific to the Civil War. So we'll go down to History, and we'll click down into U.S. History right here, and we'll click on the folders for the Civil War. Click any of them. Let's check out this one, Causes of the Civil War, over here. So just click off the select box here, and then click Copy Activity. This will load the resource into your folder, and then just download it like you normally would. And it seems that this particular resource is a PowerPoint. We can read through it and decide if we want to use it. A lot of information here. Looks pretty good. There's also scope and sequences in the library, and syllabi. To access those, you can just go to Fusion Course Materials, and here are the folders for Fusion Scope and Sequences and Fusion Syllabi. Let's try to get the syllabus for, let's say, English 7. So you go into each folder, hit Select like we did before, Copy Activity. It copies to your folder out here, and you download it like you usually would. And there's the syllabus for English 7.